My name is Robbie Roberts. I was raised in Mvskoke, and before the little at Boise, my grandma isti banada hili little skiti magiro. She talked to people. And she talked to him clearly. Monganuat, Chihijadijiro, who they don't get you crazy. A long time ago, he was walking down the road. Mvskoke homeboy, and I was just looking for grapes. Wild possum grapes, you know. Homeboy, I little Mvskoke homeboy, I homeboy. Alleged I little. Grandmother. I'm a just Magiro. No, Manassa, I help her out and everything. She was trying to go across the fence. You got but I little what? Manassa, I little see Maggie. You what's the artist, Maggie? Let's go this way. You what's the Aiba? Maggie has it over. It'll what's a little Aiba, going through the woods, Maggie. So you got it, Ali. We took off walking. Nage, mahisto at. So kahat kay Ali do Mvto. Sinet possum. I said, Nage do at. So kahat kay Ali do si Mvto. Chukos are always, had little babies on the back of it. Luckily, Kito took off running real fast. I just Mvto. She said, come here. She said, just go around. Just go around this way. So we went around. We went far away. I mean, we was walking a long ways. Hawaii, they do. You got about that. Hudsi Ale, there was we come to a creek. If I just Mvto, she said, come this way. Adam, over or what? Just do mahisto. I see Mvto, says, as next door, say, his Dito. Mahisto, there's a snake right down there, she was saying. She said, don't go down the creek yet. There's a snake right there. She said, what's that? She said, just turn around and go back the other way. Either what's that? So we went around again. Had me hagas. I said, Inga, me outdoor. Mahadam me histowa. She started looking again. She said, Mon, you what's able? She said, let's go this way. So we went on down. You got what out of what? And yes, harap kita was this. We got down there at the bottom. And Nagi just do what spring water. Over hilly to what my histo Mvto. Mungkin what? You're gonna kawawa small, she said, grab the ground. Hadam kawawa, she said, you're going up another hill. The whole reality is part long alley missed it. We went on the side of the creek. Mvskoke Mvto. See, we seen them grapes. Trying to start grabbing them. My niece was out. I'm all got niece to see. Grandma said, knock the wall. I said, how's your folk do all don't see? I said, a scorpion. She said, that's how it is. I said, Mama, not me, Hannah. Ito uska. I said, he's doing it. Go up, you what? Miss doing it. Just moving it around, getting it out of the way. So we got it. Who did with us? A bunch of them underneath there. That rock. Shadow. How bunky are they? Don't see. That rock broke in half and all that. How'd you forget all that? Show the all don't see. Come out, and when they all come out, she said, "Oh, it is." Manak ali lewat. Either of us, I had no sense. We're gonna go somewhere else. This is too many scorpions over here. I just look at the old job. So I don't. How about you? Got me. I need to wait. Another long ways to walk. Grandma that lucky though, she fell. Mom, let's do it. I said, Ingy, I'm the one. Go up the one. I just picked her up and helped her up and everything. I said, you what's I was? I said, come this way. And I told her, come this way. She said, it's not so slippery. I said, lock it. I don't want to miss my mosquitoes. She said, you go that way. You might fall over again. I said, Inga. She said, now you guys to do what? I said, what did you say that? It'll watch a little bit with somebody barely cutting that tree. You got me to what? Your leg is my. Well, we sat there and ate. Mama Bobby down here, what? So she bought that. Nagiri, talegi, bread. She pulled it out. a bistrazina, salt meat. You might hate a leg of us. Home bus market. We're sitting there eating and everything, and said, "It's good enough, yeah." I said, "Oh, hollow there's a cup with it's like a thermostat, thermos. Not thermostat, but the thermos.
Jug.
Yeah, the jug. Oh yeah, janga magiro says iskas magito. And when I start drinking it, it was hot. It was real hot. Hadam Bobby do Ali do it. Hadam he's do it. And Grandma got up. She took off down the creek a little ways. That's it. You got me to Hadam Mvsto. Grandma said, "You first I bus." She said, "How did you see? Yeah, her last hand on. I'm gonna put all this stuff up and go out behind her. So I'll grab it and everything." So, you got it out of this. Negative. Chose these. I forgot it. Waterfall magazine zero one and it. Oh, lot kilowatt. I missed it. You first bus Mvto is cross here. I don't. You first you got without it. What? Walter Jones hardly does this. Mvsto. Stongo Mvto. Stongo hardly does it. I mean, they were talking. I'm not my best to it. I was sitting there listening to them. They were talking. There was Uncle Walter. He was sitting there talking to my grandma. He said, "Robbie." I said, "Nagi." I said, "Nagi, Jaja." He said, "Edis." He said, "Akjinga." She said, "Get in the car." She said, "Jijo says Shaya Hando, so I'm gonna take you home." I said, "No, I'll Jinga Hando." So I'll get in. Grandma was already in the car. And a little Volkswagen, VW. The Adami, his chocos and all his body. Walter that. Abelest door. She said, "Had je voor je mijn histoska?" She said, my history. She said, "Did you have it banana kisliskido?" I said, kisledo. She said, "No josa." She said, "A little bit." She said, "Laksa wager." Abeleja haliskido. She said, "Nagi, no make this go." I said, "Why are you laughing at me?" I said, he said, "My started banana kisliskido." What she gets to go. I said, "What? Because you said you know a little bit." Shoga kisliskido. She said, "You know a whole lot." I said, "Mooks." She said, "How much you get to?" I said, "I'm banana kiskido." I'm blessed to Hadam. I'm blessed to what. He started laughing at me some more. And I didn't know what to do. In my history, she said, "Hinga, who said Tinha jogou fora de casa. Take y'all home. She said, Mvskoke ožeški to až na Georgia ože to ma nič to je. Ma hadja fogori Bengali da to it. I was scared of scorpions and I didn't want to get stung. And Grandma, he said, hey, who wasn't it our little shit? She said, he's acting crazy. He just leaking our little running around all over the place. My leg go there. He can't even sit down. I'm an nest to it. He said, he's helping me, but leaking out a lot of way. He said, she quit running around. He just worried me, you know. I said, I'm being gonna let out of those, my store. No, you know, not get Jehovah's no, not it. Not get all those. At Nora, little what? Mvsto, at Nora and Walter, Mvsto what? Iskera ozi what? We homie oza. They had some whiskey. And they were sitting there and they started talking and drinking. They were in Haji, you know. Mother had this time, you know. I said, hey, Nora, Tilova, Yasto. I said, no, Eva, Grandma Mvto. She said, Tugnawa, Oska. She said, Mooks, Otekodoa. She said, yeah, Jim Hunter. He gave her $100 from showed me Mvto. Tugnawa was out. I got scared, my Mvskoke got scared. I wish I quit acting crazy and quit drinking. And Nora says, Chibako said, how they do? I said, Jinda, Chimo Chibaki, how they do skido, it's going to judge you to skid. And Nora, how they do what? Ma hobor ali dos. Mvskoke hobor ali Mvto. She said, hey, now you hobor for he didn't pick nothing. He akabana maralos kislilos. He knows how to play. That's all he knows how to do. I said, it's hollow ozedo. I said, my his ozedo. I said, I picked some right here. You know, halfway full, you know. That bucket is halfway full and everything, and see that Dowdy says I should have went with you. Mono, I used to get easy charge don't want to what. She didn't lay it all. This kid what my Chibakos it all. She was mad and everything. Iske de judge said to what she's wanting to drink. How'd you hug it all it on? Walter, the Lord say it though. She said she took at Nora to town and everything, so she get Haji. She said, he just said what no, he said no what. I'm go up and say. He helped me when I like, you know what? She said, when I fall, he helped me. I said, I'm all going to see my next hand. I said, I help all of y'all. Mongo no what I little skin what. Hawaii, I the lower I little eight to what. managers. Managers Maginus. Help me. Hayon. My history right now, by the way, I see her. He got my history. Isti nafkido Chabako reali desido the bogadi hajido idu fucho hando makto ide isteki mala alat cincho ko se lagi alagi lo magiri it would have it was early in the morning. Grandma already cooked some dog food, made it look like kind of like soup. You must take care of that. You got it, I'd see it to what, and they're all drunk. And that North Grandma's fixing breakfast high on the Mvto. Home with a high on the Mvto. Oh, they come in there and they see that dog food. And my Mvto, no, your Mvto's cause. Oh, Grandma, she buckets it on the doors. Grandma got mad because they was eating the dog food. Mama, wake up, skitty, Margaret. You walk home with her? I'm toasted, Margaret. Oh, he little Margaret was knock it out later on. Her stomach was started hurting later on and everything. She said, Grandma said, Mama, she get to in my home by way got a skitty. Mommy, I get all this skitty on her. Check on my son though. She said, I'm gonna feed y'all, but I just gotta wait. She says, and Nora, she said, oh, he low, y'all little, the whole cold out. My iska way got skitty, my Grandma Mvto. She said, oh, she go to where Mvto? She now what she sold it, she broke it to her. She said, you ran out of money? Yes, I ran out of money, Mvto. She said, how funny. About 2 weeks, my songito, she was gone for 2 weeks and she came back, she was brought her friends and they were really hungry and everything, they ate that dog food and everything. I was like, golly, I said, well, I guess I'll go to school. I'll go to go AI, Mvskoke. And Nora, I said, she phoned on Nora, she said, I'm gonna give you a kiss at Nora. And y'all Mvto. I miss him so much. I love each other. I'll see him again. Madalas mag-isa ka. That's it. That's all I can say.
Yeah, you gonna see him again, Robbie. You'll see him again. Mvto.